Hey everyone, I'm Jacob with Youth to the People, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Minimalist Skin Goals Starter Set. This is your 3-step regimen to cleanse, treat, and moisturize. Building a routine can get so complicated with too many steps. This takes all the guesswork out of your daily routine. If you're looking for a simplified skincare routine that gets you to your skin goals in fewer steps, this is it. Each essential in this kit is a multitasker with multiple benefits, so you can do more with less. This kit includes 3 of my personal favorites at an amazing value. It includes a full-size Superfood cleanser, travel-size vitamin C energy serum, and Superfood Airwick moisture cream. Okay, so let's show you how to incorporate this into your routine. First up, cleanse it. The key to any good regimen is the perfect cleanser. Superfood cleanser is stacked with good-for-you greens like kale and spinach. This gentle formula deep cleans pores, removes makeup, and all without stripping the skin. Both AM and PM, I love to take Superfood cleanser, about 1 to 2 pumps, and massage it directly into dry or slightly damp skin. As I'm working this into the skin, I'm breaking down makeup and impurities and deep cleansing without stripping the skin. This is gonna make every step in your routine work better. So once you're done cleansing, it's time to treat your skin with a super dose of vitamin C and caffeine. I take 2 to 4 pumps of the serum, apply it into the skin, and as I'm massaging, I'm working to depuff by smoothing from the inside of the face to the outside. It has 3 types of ultra-stable vitamin C that help brighten uneven skin tone, visibly reduce hyperpigmentation, and help firm the look of the skin. The high dose of caffeine helps to depuff and contour the skin. It's perfect for morning. After you treat your skin, next up, you're going to condition it. Superfood Airwick Moisture Cream helps to give your skin a boost of hydration and locks in makeup like a primer. I use this personally under my makeup because it helps to plump and smooth the skin. It actually makes my foundation look more like skin and wear longer. All of the amazing nutrients that are jam-packed into this moisturizer help to support a healthy skin barrier. Both AM and PM I love to finish with the Superfood Airwick Moisture Cream. This set is great if your skin is stressing out or if you just really need a quick reset. Thank you so much for letting me walk you through this set. I'm so excited for you to give it a shot and achieve all of your skin goals. Bye!